India with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome or welcome back. Either way, I'm happy that you are here. My topics either cover handbags or other fashion related or how to, just anything else that I feel interested in, tea unboxings, whatever. I just feel like I want to share with you. So if any of that sounds interesting, I encourage you to watch this video, watch another one of my videos, and like all of them, and also decide if you want to subscribe. That would be very much appreciated. Also comment down below if you have any questions or video suggestions. I take those as well. So if I can do it, I will do a video on it. So today will be a hair care product video. I'm going to do a review of the Glow by Daye hair cap here. So if you have not heard of Glow by Daye, let me just go ahead and tell you about her really quick here. I'm reading off of her website. In the description, you will see a link to the product I'm talking about. So that way, if you're interested in trying it out, you can try it out. So she actually started this company. She self-proclaims herself as a lazy natural, and just making the time to style, maintain, and preserve, and all the necessary things for optimal hair health it's a lot of work, especially when you're talking about natural hair. She came up with a deep conditioning product that helped maintain moisture and preserved her hairstyle. So it sounds like that was her first product, and then now she has several other items on her website. So definitely check out our website for other products. I'm just going to be talking about the hair cap here, which I want to give you the right name. So the name of it is called the Conditioning Heat Cap. So it looks like this. This is the one like more in the blue color here. And actually, I did not even purchase this from the Glow by Daye website. I purchased this from TJ Maxx, I think. So the Glow by Daye heat cap, conditioning heat cap, full price is $37.97 from off the website. I bought it for I think about $28, so about a $9 discount, you know. So this is what it looks like up close. It has the Glow by the care tag here. So I'll show you what it looks like first. It's very well constructed, which is really nice. It has like a quilted pattern here. It's a heavier cap. If you can see, if I hold the two sides, it's hanging down in the middle, and you'll know why in a second. And the inside is like this absorbent kind of fiber cloth, because it's supposed to kind of help. It's a heat cap basically, but you know, you could have some leakage from water and moisture being on your head, so you don't want that dripping all down your face and things like that. So that is what the absorbent material is for. So let me just get into a little bit about the product, and then I'll talk about my review of it. I've been using it for a year now, I would say. All right, so this deep conditioning cap is basically designed for you to be able to microwave it. And then that way you get this heating conditioning experience without having to be stuck next to a plug from something needing to be plugged up or under a dryer. You can like go about your day, which is really what I do. Is I'll put this on and take a nap and let the heating action work, or do some other activities while I'm deep conditioning my hair. So it makes it really helpful when you are trying to multitask, which I know a lot of us are trying to do on a regular basis. So it says that it is designed to provide 20 to 30 minutes of even, gentle heat. So this could be used for hot oil treatments, deep conditioning treatments, whatever heating treatments you want to use. You can use this cap by just microwaving it in your, I was about to say refrigerator. That is not where you microwave things. Microwave it in your microwave. So the thing I want to get to here, the features of this cap is the inside of the cap, and the reason why it's heavy is because it contains flax seed, which I really like that aspect of it. Is using a natural material, something that you can grow in your backyard to supply the heating properties for this cap. So the flax seed is lined in the cap, and it has this natural ability to retain heat and allow it to basically heat your head over time. So it does advertise as 20 to 30 minutes of even distributed heat. So that is a little bit about the product. Getting into the review side of it. Overall, I feel like the construction of the cap is really nice. I think the packaging is great too. It's just in like a kind of logoed box, branded box, and then you have the cap in there, and then I think there's like a little instruction card or something like that to tell you how to use it. It might also have it in here to tell you how to use it as well, and it does with this little tag that's right here. So basically, let me read this out for you. So basically what happens is you are instructed to microwave the cap and rotate it every 30 to 35 seconds to make sure that it's equally distributed and each piece gets its heating time. It tells you do not microwave this over 2 minutes. So I would put it in a little plate or that can retain heat basically, and then I just rotate it around every 20 to 30 seconds until the 2 minutes are up. Now, it's really easy to use. Like I said, packaging is great. My overall grade of this product as far as effectiveness goes is going to be a C. And the reason I give it a C is because it does do a great job of keeping, it does do a great job of heating up. And it's not, you don't end up with a situation where it's too heated or too warm and you have to like let it cool off and it's burning your fingers or anything like that. But it does not retain the heat evenly through your head, through the cap for the entire time. I would say I've tried this, like I said, I've been using it for almost a year now actually. And there are spots that cool off really quick in my cap. Overall, most of my head remains warm, but you'll end up with a cool spot in at certain points, depending on kind of like where you put the cap on, and it starts to cool off quicker than the rest of the cap. So most of the cap stays warm, and then the other one, you have a cool spot that starts up right away. I will say it doesn't make it to 20 minutes of equally distributed heat. I would say it's more around by the 10 to 15 minute mark, my cap is not that warm anymore. And I feel like most of the heat has been lifted and basically escaped from the cap. So most of the heat has escaped from the cap at that point. I would not say it's a 20-minute heater. It does not last 20 minutes. I would say it lasts a good 10 and 15 if you're lucky. So that is why I give it a C. Why do I keep using it? I like the convenience. I like the convenience of being able to stick this in the microwave and heat it. It does the job that it needs to do. If I need to reheat it again, which I never do this, but if I did need to reheat it again, I'll just stick it back in the microwave. But what I do is I put a plastic shower cap on top of my head so there's a layer between this and my hair and the conditioner or whatever else I have in my head. And then I just let my body heat continue to whatever little bit of heat is left and my body heat to continue to just do its natural effects on it. But that's the reason I give it a C, is just overall it doesn't have an equal distribution. It does not maintain that equal distribution of heat, and it does not last the 20 to 30 minutes like it is advertised. But overall, I think it is a nice product to use, and it is very convenient and very much needed for people who are maintaining their natural hair. And even if you don't have natural hair, it is a helpful product to have. So overall, this is my review of the Glow by Daye. Let me know if you've heard of Glow by Daye, if you used any of the other products that are on the website. I would really like to hear from you. And let me know if you have any other questions about this heating cap. I will be happy to answer those below if I know the answer to them. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you taking a little portion of your day to spend with me and listen to a little bit of something I had to say. Definitely don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe before you leave. And I'll talk to you again soon, either on a Wednesday or a Saturday. Bye.